Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this glam holiday makeup look. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. So I did put on some tape because I want this look to be as precise and clean as possible. I tried to get them as even as I could, but honestly, nobody's perfect, so don't beat yourself up over it if it doesn't come out even. But we're gonna start off with the ABH Norvina Volume 1 palette. I'm gonna be using this big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M433, and I'm going to go into this black shade and I'm gonna pack it onto the outer corners of the eye. So we're gonna continue packing this color on in the outer portions, and we're not bringing it up too high because we're going to be putting more shades there. I'm bringing it up towards like where my crease starts. Like if you can feel the bone, that's where you should end. You should have something like this just from packing, not even blending it out. So now going into the Jackie Aina palette, I'm going to use this shade Edges, and I'm going to blend that out on top of the black we just applied. So I'm packing this on top of the black. It's okay if you're getting some of this shade on the black because we'll go over that and fix that later. So what I did was at first I packed this orange color on, and then I blended it out in rotating motions. Alright, so I kid you guys not, I was planning on adding more colors, but I got such a good blend from just these two shades. I think I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna cut a crease right in here, and yeah. So I did cut this crease a little higher than I normally would because I want it to be a little more dramatic than usual since it is the holidays. Gotta go all out, right? So I'm just gonna tap off the excess shadow that is left on this brush right here where the crease that I cut and the black shadow meet, just to blend out the outer edges. Right, so now I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I know I'm using a lot of palettes today, I'm sorry you guys, but you can definitely use the same techniques that I'm using today with different colors that will be more suited with like your outfits that you're gonna be wearing that day, or you know, whatever you like. This palette smells delicious. It smells like straight up chocolate. So we're gonna go into the silver shade right here, and we're gonna put that where we cut the crease. So now we're gonna be adding this silver holographic glitter. This is Venus from Violet Voss. So this is what the eyes are looking like. They're looking a little weird simply because we don't have lashes on and we don't have the rest of our makeup on, but we're gonna move on to foundation. And for foundation, I'm using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation in the shade 123, and I'm gonna add a few drops of the Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops in the shade Sunlight. Alright, so now for concealer, I'm using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer in the shade 17. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie setting powder in the shade Yellow. So now it's time to finish off the eyes, and I'm honestly a little nervous because I've been having really bad allergies and I either can't breathe or I can't do makeup because my eyes are way too watery. So I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna pray for the best. I'm gonna line my waterline with the white retractable liner by NYX. So we're gonna make a line underneath that white liner with some black shadow. And I'm only bringing it about halfway. So right underneath that, I'm gonna smudge this brown shade called Cocoa Truffle from the Chocolate Gold palette by Too Faced. So now I'm going to contour using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I'm going to use the 2 deepest shades, and I gotta contour. It's not a holiday look if you don't contour. You gotta look snatched. So now I'm going to bronze using the Colourpop Talk to the Palm highlight. Girl, Talk to the Palm bronzer. Now for blush, I'm going to go into the Nars Exposed, what is this? Exposed Cheek Palette, and I'm going to mix these 2 shades together. Alright, so now for highlighter, we're using the Fenty Beauty 24 Cray Loose Highlighter. Alright, so I applied my lashes off camera. These are the Unscripted Beauty lashes in the style Risky. Finally finish off this look, we're going to use the ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Serafine. I can't believe I'm not going to do a nude lip. If I was going out somewhere, I would definitely do a nude lip. But, you know, you can't have a holiday look without red lips. So this is the finished look, you guys. Excuse my hair, she needs a refresher. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.